If you love Mexican train dominoes, this is going to have everything that you need. I love that it comes in this really nice case. So it's all silver with chrome accents on the corners and the handle. We've got a really nice latch here too. So this is super portable. You can take it really anywhere you need to, especially on trips. And then it's going to hold everything in here really nice. So let me go ahead and go over all these and just show you what it has. Now it does come with 4 wooden holders for your dominoes, and you'll see that they're actually angled back a little bit, so that way they're not going to be straight up and down. They're going to be angled back, easier to read, and it's non-skip bottom right here. And it does come with 9 train figures. These are all different colors. I mean, they're really detailed, really cool looking actually. I like those. And then we've got our dominoes. Now these dominoes have numbers instead of your typical dominoes where they have the little dots, so there's no counting, so it's easier to play. And if you'll notice, the colors are just really nice and vibrant. We got pinks and reds and yellows and green. We also have our wooden hub here. And then we've got our score sheet and of course our instructions. And also on the case, it's all black lined here. Nice, so I guess it's felt material. And then of course we've got a little elastic strap here to make sure we hold all of our stuff in there really well. But it's really got everything you need. It's a fun game. I like all the little figurines that it has. And I hope you have fun with this.